Tonight, a Knoxville family is still displaced from their home after a tornado touched down in Marion County last Tuesday. As they've worked to assess the damage and move forward, this week the family has been met with an additional challenge. Local 5's Megan McPherson shares their story.
Larissa, according to the National Weather Service, the tornado in Marion County was only on the ground for about 5 minutes. But in that short amount of time, everything changed for the Scheelhaase family.
It's hard to go back and try to clean that room out.
Keith and Emily Scheelhaase were fast asleep inside their Knoxville home last Tuesday when severe weather struck.
Reliving it over and over every time you look up and see everything that's happened.
The couple jumped out of bed to go check on one of their daughters, who was also asleep downstairs.
I heard the wind and a great big swirl of wind and screamed his name.
A massive branch from a tree in the backyard, snapped off by the tornado, fell directly onto their home. These photos taken by Emily show how close of a call it truly was.
There's no words to describe what that night was like when everything was coming in on top of you and you seemed helpless.
The days that followed have not been easy on this family. Due to the damage, they've been displaced from their home, now staying with relatives until repairs are complete. But all hope hasn't been lost.
Everybody has a community out here. It's really amazing.
Because the Knoxville community is rallying around them, helping replace what they can and offering a much-needed shoulder to lean on.
It's tough to go through this and then have somebody give up their arm around you and tell you it's going to be okay. And it's great.
The Scheelhaase family isn't sure when they'll be able to move back into their home or how long the repairs will take. But they tell me what matters most is that no one was seriously